If you don't like the Siri activation on the side button, I show you how you need to change your Siri from here to your action button. I'm using iPhone 17. This is same for all model latest iPhones. So you just head to settings and scroll down a bit and open action button. Now swipe like this until you see the controls. When you see the controls, click choose a control. Here just click this search bar and type Siri. Now you can see talk to Siri, click that. So that's it. Here you can see talk to Siri. Now back, it's done. Minimize this and just press this action button. You can see Siri listens. Hey Siri, what's the day? Yeah, it listens. If you press the side button, this will also activate Siri, but we don't need that, right? So let's turn it off. Open settings, open Apple Intelligence and Siri, and talk to Siri, and press side button for Siri. Turn off this. Now it's off. So it's now only used as power switch to turn off your iPhone. So if you click the action button, Siri will activate like this. So this is how you need to change the switch control on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.